Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today we're going to be making some asparagus for our Thanksgiving tutorial today. Everybody loves, well, not everybody, because my husband doesn't love asparagus, but me and my kids actually do. So I'm going to show you where to cut. So I like to keep the band on so they all stay together, and where it pops at is where I cut it. Okay, and there, just cut off those woody ends. You can save this to make stock, vegetable stock if you like. You can put it in your chicken stock. Alright, so here, put the stems, and just, ooh, please don't fall. Alright. They like to roll away. And there you have it. Alright, so when I come back, I'm going to show you how to saute these gorgeous, gorgeous asparagus. Okay, so let's start our asparagus. We're going to go in with some olive oil. Some butter. Alright, got the butter, olive oil down. And I got a nice big pan for the asparagus. We're going to get the garlic on there. So garlic powder. And salt. I'm going to give them a nice good salt. And you just toss them around because we just sauteing these up. And these are going to be amazing. Just toss them around. Oh yeah, the fragrance coming from them already. And just let them cook. And it doesn't take long for these to cook. Just a little bit. Just like that. And we'll be right back when these salt take down a little more. This is one of those vegetables that you do not want to overcook. And you'll know when it's done that it turns dark green. And then we're just going to throw some bacon bits in there just for flavor, just for fun. On there, gives it a little flavor, give it a little bacon flavor, a little bacon kick. Look at this. And so you'll know it's done once all the leaves turn dark green. And just let it cook down some more. I just wanted to throw some bacon bits in there for fun. Let it cook up. You can saute some bacon, fry it up, cook it in the bacon grease and some butter. Oh my goodness. And a little shallot. There's so many ways to make this dish absolutely delicious. The olive oil, the butter, a little bit of bacon bits, the garlic, sends it over the top. It's getting there. They is almost ready. I'm going to try one. I don't want to cook it too much just to make sure. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh yeah, they done. Oh my. They are done and delicious. They got the right amount of salt. That bacon, smokiness from the bacon. The garlic. Try these, guys. Make these. You're going to want to have these. Oh my goodness. Alright. So, beautiful. I have another one. So good, I want another one. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Look at that, guys. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video.